What the hell to do with Bitcoin on Monday 13th of March 2023? Here are the answers that will save you money and will hold you back from wrong decisions to take. Avoid panic selling. It's important not to panic and sell all of your Bitcoin holdings immediately after a drop. Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset, and price drops are common. Panic selling can result in selling at a loss. And this is what you want to avoid by all means. Review your investment strategy. Take the time to review your investment strategy and make sure it aligns with your long-term goals. Consider factors such as your risk tolerance, investment timeline, and overall portfolio diversification. Again, do not panic. It is not worth it. Keep an eye on market news. Stay informed about market news and updates that may affect the price of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Especially, watch out for any USDC moves. Keep up to date with industry developments in the stablecoin arena. Also watch traditional banks. There is potentially the highest risk right now. You hear about Bankruns? Run as well. Fast and without any hesitation. Not even for a second. Do not wait, run. If nothing as dramatic as additional bankruns happen, and USDC stays calm and goes back to 1. Be patient. And stay patient. Bitcoin is a long-term investment, and short-term price drops are part of the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Focus on the long-term potential of Bitcoin as an investment. Last but not least, if you like what you heard and want more of it, comment now and show me some love. Thank you folks for this. It really helps. As well, if you look for additional helpful resources to help you stay on top of movements like cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence and everything else that makes you a ton of money, do not forget to visit factopia.net. Find it as well in the pinned comments. See you soon and keep rocking.